Morning बच्चों. Now I have started this chapter by refraction of light. Now remain reflection of light. So many things I have explained in audio. Now I am going to teach you derivation of mirror formula. You are very much familiar with mirror formula. In class 10th you have studied how the mirror formula is derived. Look at here. I have taken both the mirrors. This is mirror MP and it is a concave mirror. An object is placed before its center of curvature, beyond its center of curvature. So AB is object. Okay, following the law of image formation, its image formed at A dash B dash. This is the image. This is ray parallel passing through focus. Another way we take at pole. So this is angle of incidence, this is angle of reflection. Okay, these two rays intersect here. So A dash B dash image is formed. From Q we draw a perpendicular. So QR is perpendicular here. So when we form the image, same here. Observe ye, this is convex mirror. AB is object. You know that placed in front of convex mirror at any point. Clear, you always get the image between F and P. So this ray is parallel, it diverges, it appears to come from focus, another ray incident towards the center of curvature and it returns back in same direction. Both the rays appear to intersect here at this point. A dash B dash image is formed. This is point Q. From here we draw a perpendicular, that is QR. Okay, and now in these two triangles derivation is same, but just you have to pay attention on position where the object is placed, because in examination object is placed at different position, means position of object is specified. Okay, look at here, you are observing Q, a triangle APB, another triangle A dash B dash P. Okay, these are the two triangles APB, A dash B, A dash P, B dash. These two angles, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and these are the right angles. So the two triangles are similar. In class 10th you have studied in similar triangles, the sides are proportional. That's why AB upon A dash B dash equal PB upon PB dash. PB upon PB dash. You know that all the distances are measured from pole. So this is AB upon A dash B dash, PB upon PB dash, equation 1. Now we take this triangle QRF and A dash B dash F. QRF, A dash B dash F. In the two triangles, these two are vertically opposite angle and these are right angle. So the two triangles are similar. Therefore, QR upon A dash B dash equal RF upon B dash F. Okay, here QR, you see QR. These two rays are parallel, so QR is equal AB. So we write QR is equal AB. Now if we assume the aperture of mirror, this one, aperture of mirror is small, then Q will be near to P, and if Q will near to P, then R is near to P. So here this point is very important. I assumed here if aperture of mirror is small, then R tends to P, मतलब R P के पास पहुंचेगा. Okay, therefore RF will approximate equal to PF. Okay, and here you see that now we have to find B dash F. So this will be equal PB dash minus PF. So B dash F equal PB dash minus PF. These two value of RF and B dash F we put in this equation. Okay, so in place of QR A dash AB, and in place of this PF and in place of B dash F we write PB dash minus PF. When we put these value we get this equation AB upon A dash B dash equal PF upon PB dash minus PF. This is equation number 2. Now you compare the two equation 1 and equation 2. You will observe that left hand part is equal. Therefore, right hand part will also be equal PB upon PB dash equal PF upon this. Okay. So PB upon PB dash equal PF upon PB dash minus PF. Now PB is distance of object, put U, distance of image V. All are towards left, that's why I have not used sign. PF is F, PB dash V minus PF is F. So this is distance of object from mirror, this is distance of image from mirror, and this one is focal length. Putting these value, you cross multiply it, you will get U into V, U into V, U minus F, V into F. Now you transpose this term, you will get UV equal UF plus VF. Okay. And now we divide the three terms by UVF, 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 UVF. So you see that U and V is cancelled, here U and F is cancelled, and you will here V and F is cancelled, you will get 1 by F equal 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is mirror formula. Yes, for concave mirror, for convex mirror, you do it yourself and also practice when object placed at different position. Now we learn linear magnification. Pause करो. देर हो गया.